Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect contact form 7 after submission to custom page or any custom URL using custom PHP snippet in WordPress. Also we are going to open link in new tab and also we are going to add time delay. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our contact form 7. So after form submission, we are going to redirect user to custom page or custom URL. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then insert plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see form ID 2758. Now go to edit contact form. So this is our form. Now you see ID alphanumeric. So we are not going to use alphanumeric ID. Now open form you want to use. Now form open. And then in URL you see post equal to 2758. So this is our form ID. Now go to custom code. Now you see we are using 2758 form ID. So you can add your form ID. And then you see time delay 1000, 1 second. So you can add time delay according to requirement. Also we are going to open in new tab. Now you see blank. So you can add custom page URL, any link according to requirement here. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. Now we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done and redirect to custom URL. Now you see, so you can add page or custom URL link according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.